Hello, I am Dr. Farshad Amini Behbahani and this is short course of Iranian traditional medicine. In this section, we discuss about signs and symptoms of dominancy of the black bile. Black bile or melancholic humor is a dry and cold humor, and its main job is to bring stability in the organs, stability in spirit, stability in thinking, and keeping integrity of the blood in the vessels. And also black bile is part of nutrition of organs, especially those which need more black bile compared to others like bones or the spleen. The spleen in Iranian traditional medicine includes both spleen and pancreas in the modern medicine. In Iranian traditional medicine, one of the jobs of spleen is to absorb thick material. One of these thick materials is black bile. Spleen absorbs the black bile from the blood, from the liver after the production of the black bile, and turn it by another extra digestion to a proper humor to irritate stomach, to have an astringent effect on the stomach, uh, cardia, or on the stomach entrance, to produce feeling of appetite, feeling of hungriness in the stomach, and cause the person to search the food. So if a spleen has any problem to its digestion, to absorb black bile or to expel black bile toward the stomach, or the amount of black bile be a little less than need overall, or the quality of the black bile become abnormal, we have abnormal black bile instead of the normal black bile, the appetite will lost. It is an important sign. But in dominancy of black bile, not those because of dysfunction of the spleen to absorb the black bile from the blood. This is another cause of black bile dominancy. Those which we have too much black bile in the body, too much production of the black bile in the liver, we have increase of appetite. But what kind of appetite? False appetite. In this kind of appetite, person feel hungriness, but the stomach is full, or body is full and have no need to more food. This person serve a dish full of food for him or herself, and suddenly notice no need to food and reject the food. This is false appetite. Another kind of appetite that dominancy of the black bile have is craving of the food, searching for the food, but not picking the food. This person just little chew some foods and go for his or her work. Sometimes, usually, patient open the door of refrigerator recurrently without picking any food. Just stay at the front of the refrigerator and watch. Because black bile is a dry humor, dominancy of black bile cause dryness of the skin. Because black bile is responsible for integrity of the blood, too much black bile cause thickness of the thickness of the blood and slow flowing of the blood. Because the black bile is responsible for stability of the mind, in dominancy of the black bile, we have too much thinking around one subject. It is called obsession or temptation. This person dreaming a dream too much, recurrently. Too much black bile in the stomach, besides causing some false appetite, also cause feeling burning around the epigastrium. Sometimes patients report some sort of regurgitation. Black bile cause thick and black urine, especially at the end of the disease. At the beginning of dominancy of the black bile, the urine is clear. There is some characteristic dreaming for dominancy of the black bile. Seeing all objects, all furniture black is in black bile, but some objects are characteristic. For example, seeing black elephants, black pigs, black snakes. And also falling during sleep or feeling fear during dreaming in sleep is another sign or symptoms of the black bile dominancy. Those with dry intrinsic temperament, especially warm and dry intrinsic temperament, are susceptible to more production of the black bile. Also, these temperaments are susceptible to production of more yellow bile. Like young age with dry and warm temperament of age produce more black bile and more yellow bile. But because of so activity in young age, usually we do not see the signs and symptoms of black bile dominancy. We usually see this dominancy in the middle age. In the middle age, the temperaments turn to dryness and coldness, but not too cold that cause raw humor like phlegm production. There is a little warmness from young age, but dryness is too much, so the production of black bile will be more. That will show itself by drying skin and loss of brightness of the face. Those who have too much hair on their body are susceptible for production of more black bile. This could help in examination of the patient to reach the diagnosis. Also, if you see some black or dark patches, skin patch in the patient, you should be suspect to black bile dominancy.